You want to be in the best college in India. For that, एंट्रेंस तो देना ही पड़ेगा. 2023 के एंट्रेंस बहुत ही जल्द शुरू होने वाले हैं. बी इट कॉलेजेस इन मुंबई, पुणे, दिल्ली, वेयर एवर, द बेस्ट कॉलेजेस विल डिमांड एन एंट्रेंस एग्जाम. चाहे फिर वो सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी का CUET हो, PGCUET हो. देन इन पुणे यू हैव सिम्बायोसिस, देन यू हैव क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी इन बैंगलोर, देन you have Mumbai colleges, be it Xaviers, MIT-ISBJ, Jai Hind, all are taking entrance exam. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the most important module, which is the language paper, जो कि सभी entrance exam में common है. Language paper, when you say that particular section, is the highest scoring section. So guys, make sure that you don't lose out any marks. For that, we have made 3 parts of the video so that you understand and start practicing from now and score that 25%. So guys, what are you waiting for? Grab your pen and paper because it's gonna be in PPT format so that you can write down. We have also given examples of each and every topic so that you can do self-study. Ya to we have our course running for the entrance exam. You can enroll for that as well. There's a number in the description box जिस पे आप WhatsApp कर सकते हो and my team will get back to you with all the details. And yes, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do that to get all these amazing videos and informative videos so that you can prepare yourself for the entrance exam and get all the important information regarding your college, studies, career advice, everything.
So let's begin with the language paper Entrance Exam 2023 Part A. All the questions in a language paper for any entrance exam consists of comprehensions. Now, what is a comprehension? It is a series of questions based on information given in a particular paragraph of any context, which means a paragraph will be given to you. That paragraph could be of any context, any topic, and there will be questions based on it and you have to find the answers to it. Now, let's see an example. Here is a simple 3-paragraph context and you have to find answers to the questions based on this particular paragraph. Suppose the question is, the 16th century was an age of great exploration. Your options are cosmic, land, mental and common man. As you can see in the first paragraph itself, it says, in the 16th century, an age of great marine and terrestrial exploration. Now, marine and terrestrial both mean land. So you have to be able to analyze the meanings in a context and then accordingly answer it, and that is why the answer is land. Another example is 4 of the ships sought a passage along a southern dash. Now we all know that the meaning of peninsula is a body of land with water on 3 sides like India. So that will be your answer, option 3. Now, to answer such questions in comprehensions, there are certain topics that we need to keep clear in our language. One of which is parts of speech. What are parts of speech? Various combination of words that form a meaningful sentence. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, conjunction, interjection, preposition, and articles. Let's start with what are nouns. It refers to a name, place, animal or thing. There are 2 types, that is common and proper. Common are for any common terms, like in this case flowers. It is not specifying which flower. There are a few flowers left in the park. Neither is the park specified. But in proper nouns, you have a specific name. There are a few roses left in Avenue Park. Both are specific and a proper names, hence proper nouns. Next is pronouns. Words used instead of a noun, that is he, she, it, they, them, us, we. For example, Raj is a studious boy. Raj likes to play cricket. Instead of saying Raj over and over, I can just replace it with he. So Raj is a studious boy. He likes to play cricket. Another example, the girls are playing football. The girls will win the match. Instead, I can use they. The girls are playing football. They will win the match. Next is adjectives, words that describe a noun. King Arthur was a mighty king. What type of a king was he? A mighty king. King here is the noun. But mighty is the adjectives as it describes the king. This is an exceptional institution. What kind of an institution? Exceptional. That becomes your adjective. Next is verb. Action words, most of them end in ing. For example, they will be going to the doctor today. Going is an action, so going becomes a verb. I prefer walking to school. Walking, yet another action, and that becomes a verb. Then is adverbs. They tell you more about a verb and they mostly end in ly. For example, Rohan rapidly recovered from the illness. Recovered is a verb, and how did he recover? Rapidly. So it answers the question how, and that is your adverb. Another example, I barely cleared the test. Barely. So that becomes an adverb. Next is preposition. As the name suggests, position. Words or phrases used before a noun or pronoun showing place, time and direction. For example, the library is behind the church. Where? Behind. She was standing next to me this whole time. Where is she standing? Next to me. It is the position of the noun. So behind and next to become preposition. Next is the conjunction. As it says, junction, the meeting of two or more sentences to make sense. Suppose I have two sentences. They planned a getaway. They had a long weekend off at work. How can I join these two sentences to make sense? I can use the word because. They planned a getaway because they had a long weekend off at work. Let me give you another example. We studied hard. We excelled in the class test. How can I join these? We studied hard, therefore we excelled in the class test. So words like because, as, or hence, however, henceforth, etc. become conjunctions. Next is interjections. These are simply words that express surprise, pain, excitement, like hooray, wow, alas, oh, etc. For example, alas, he is no more. Or, oh, what a wonderful day. And finally, we have articles. There are two types of articles, definite and indefinite. Definite is the, indefinite is a or an. For example, the Taj Mahal is a beautiful historical monument. We know that Taj Mahal is the one and only and specific. That is why the it can be used. Or if I had an octopus has 8 limbs, I can be talking about any octopus at this point, or a newborn baby, any newborn baby. Hence, I can use an or a instead of the.
Before we move on to the sample question paper, till now we have done parts of speech. अभी हम देखेंगे कि question paper में कैसे question पूछा जाता है in entrance exam, so that you are well prepared and you know कि भाई parts of speech तो समझ गया, but questions कैसे आते हैं. And before that, reminding you guys that make sure that you subscribe to the channel to keep on getting such informative videos.
Now, using what we just learned, let's solve a question. Rearrange the sentence. The Portuguese had a great talent as also for choosing the right place to build for building houses who arrived in Goa 400 years ago. We have to rearrange these 4 statements in a particular order. If you see option D, it fits perfectly correct because all the words are aligned to make complete sense. The Portuguese, S, who arrived in Goa 400 years ago, P, had a great talent, R, for building houses, Q, as also for choosing the right place to build. So SPRQ is the correct order of the statement. Another type of question that can be asked is spotting errors. Suppose I have 4 statements. A, you cannot withdraw. B, all your money until. C, you give a prior notice. And D, no error. You only choose D if you don't have any mistake in the sentence. But as you can see, until can be replaced with unless, because until means tab tak in Hindi and unless means jab tak. So the statement, if I change it in Hindi, it becomes आप तब तक पैसे नहीं निकाल सकते जब तक आप prior notice नहीं देते. So the until will become unless, and hence B has the error in the statement.
This was the part 1 that we finished. Part 2 आपको next Thursday मिल जाएगा and part 3 आपको उसके next Thursday मिल जाएगा. For that you have to stay tuned. I hope this video was helpful. अगर आपको अभी भी कोई doubts है इनमें से किसी भी चीज़ में, please comment box में लिख देना. We'll reply to your comment, and also if we think कि कुछ explanation miss out हो गया है, we'll include it in the part B. So make sure guys that you comment and let us know that how you find the video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.